Let's install this lightweight, airy 5x5 closure wig from LuvMe Hair. Stay tuned to see all the details. Hey guys, so today we're working with a wig from LuvMe Hair. So yes, I love LuvMe Hair. I have a lot of their clip-ins, I have wigs, they have some really good quality hair. This was like the first wig company that I worked with like almost 10 years ago. Like, can you believe it's been 10 years since I've been doing this? But anyway, LuvMe Hair has some really good wigs, and today I have a glueless wig. So I've been trying to grow my hair in, so I've been marking my hair growth by how much gray hair I got up here. So I'm trying to grow my hair in because my hair started breaking off all crazy. So I got me a glueless wig, and this is a closure wig. So this is a 5x5 closure wig. So it's 5 inches across, 5 inches to the back. It's bleached knots, it's plugged, it's like really ready to go. And this is HD lace, so the lace just blends in with my hand. Like HD lace to just blend. You shouldn't have to do too much to lace wigs these days. Like, these wigs come pretty much done. Like, that's what I really love about this hair. Like, these wigs these days, they come done. So this one has a breathable mesh cap right here. It's super, super lightweight. Like, it feels like a feather. Like, that's how light it is. So this hair is straight. This is 22 inches, bone straight. And of course I'm gonna straighten it out a little bit more, but super simple wig. So glueless wigs is for somebody that, like me, I don't like doing lace front wigs. I don't like to put glue on my hairline. I like to be able to put my wig on, take it off at night. If I need to hurry up and go, I don't need to, I can't sit there and like do all this stuff to my wig. I like the wig to come already done. The knots bleached, it plucked, it parted, everything, so I don't have to do too much to it. So if you're like a low maintenance type of girly, but you want to look high maintenance, these glueless wigs is the way to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on so we can see what it's looking like. So this wig also comes with an elastic band, so all I have to do is just pop this thing on. So like I said, this is a closure wig, so it's 5x5 like this. What I am going to do is I'm going to put like some temporary, so I got some bowl hold. This is temporary hold, is like a gel, so to say, and I just put that on there when I just want to melt the lace down a little bit, just pretty much just on the hairline right here, not doing like too much. So I just put a little bit on top like that. And then the great thing about this is all I have to do is just take some water and take it off, and that's it. So I don't do this every day. I just do it when I feel like I want to like kind of like prep the lace for like the week or like the month. I'll do this. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of that bowl hold on there. And literally, I'm just gonna put it right there on the top because I don't have time. And like I said, I don't like to do too much with like the hairline, but I feel like this kind of like low-key gave me like a little bit of baby hair. So I might just put like a little bit of baby hairs up the top of this, just cause we know how we do with our baby hair. It's just a tiny, just a little smidge of like baby hair just on the top, but you really don't have to. But I'm just gonna do a little smidge of baby hair. So this wig is lightweight, it's adjustable, so it's definitely wide enough and it stretches enough. So if you're somebody that has like a larger head, this wig will definitely fit your head pretty good. So I'm gonna just cut this little bit of edge right here in the front, like this. Just that little bit of baby hair, because I don't want to do too much. So I'm gonna just hot comb this a little bit. See, the great thing about this is like when you prep these wigs for like the rest of the week, like, or that's pretty much it. Like, you don't have to do anything else but just throw this wig back on. Look at that. Smooths out so straight. And mind you, I ain't put no makeup, no nothing on this wig. It is just like fresh out the box. Like nothing is on this wig. No makeup, nothing. So I still be using edge control on my wigs. Just cause it's easy. Like it's easy to just throw some edge control on this real quick and it hold. This kind is from, what is this company called? Baskin Leather. This is the edge control that I use because it's strong hold, really strong hold edge control. And this came with like a little wig brush and stuff like that too. But I still just, I don't know, I still like to use my comb. So I'm literally just putting a little bit of edges on here just as if this was like my own hair. Like, you know, somebody put little edges on the front, like that's all I'm doing, as if this is like my hair. And if I don't like it, I sure will take it off after I'm finished straightening it out. But I don't know, I think it might look alright. What y'all think? So this wig is like feather light. Let me see how it straightens out. Woohoo, look at that, silky. Silky straight, just like I like it. That's what I'm talking about. They done upgraded these wigs these days. Like these wigs are so good. Look at that, super silky. So all these products that I'm using, I'm gonna leave in the description box. You can get these from my storefront. Some of them are on my TikTok. You can go and get them there as well. This is a really lightweight wig. So if you don't like a heavy, thick, it's thick, like the hair is nice and thick, but this wig is really light. Like it really feels like I don't have anything on my head. Like it's so lightweight. I think it's called like the Air something wig. I don't have no makeup on this wig. I don't have anything on this wig. And this wig is giving, like, it is giving. It's giving all that it needs to give. Like, bust down bone straight for the fall. Like, it's giving everything that it needs to give. So yes, this wig right here is giving what it's supposed to give. Bust down, bone straight. Look at this. Like, this wig is so lightweight. Like, if you like a lightweight wig, you like a glueless wig, you like a wig you can just put on, take off, like you don't gotta do too much with, this LuvMe hair wig is really where it's at. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box so that you can check it out right here. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see y'all guys later. If you buy it, let me know how you like it too.